challenge video. So today's challenge is 5 photographers shoot 1 model, and now the photographers will introduce themselves with the gear they will be using today.
So hey guys, my name is Ashish Khaitan. I am using 200D Mark II with 50mm prime lens.
Hi, I'm Shreyas and I'm using a Canon 80D with 50mm prime lens.
My name is Sharanya and I'll be using a Canon 1200D with 50mm prime lens.
Hi, I'm Atharva and I'm using Canon 80D with 50mm prime lens.
Hi, I'm Paz Joshi. I'm using 1300D with 50mm.
The motive behind this challenge is to showcase unique style of each photographer. Despite of the same model and the same lighting conditions, everyone gets some unique shot. So I'm really excited for this challenge as everyone is using a 50mm lens. So let's begin with today's video.
Hi guys, this is Preeti and today I am here to shoot with 5 amazing photographers to do a photography challenge, and I am today's model. I am also a dancer and let's see how this goes.
Who is starting first now?
I'll ask Sharanya to start because ladies first.
Okay. I'll start with the challenge.
Okay, cool. So let's begin. Atharva is starting with his challenge now.
Yes.
So are you happy with the shot so far, Atharva?
I'm totally okay with this shot.
Okay.
Okay, done.
Done?
I'm done with my challenge.
Okay, he's done. What's the time? He completed his shoot in a matter of 1 minute 33 seconds.
Seriously?
Yes. Wow. The fastest till now.
Till now.
Nice. So who is going next?
I'll go next.
Okay, Shreyas is the next photographer now. So what location do you want now? The same or do you want to try something different? Okay.
I don't get any good shot.
Okay.
I'll change the location.
Okay. Let's go. Do you want someone to catch a reflector?
No.
So Preeti, how is your challenge going so far?
It was kind of awkward at the first, but I guess I'm getting used to it.
Okay. Ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, so your time starts now. Okay, so they are using the stone as a stage for her dance moves. Okay, now he has changed the direction.
Please bend backwards from your back, from your vest. Got it? Yes, perfect. Wait, I'll give you a Put up, Sarak. 3, 2, 1.
Wow. Okay, again location change. Shreyas is making us run. Every one of us. No extra time for this thing. Such a hard-working photographer. Change 3 locations in 3 minutes.
Minute left. Okay, fine. I'll utilize it.
Okay.
Please grab this side.
Run. Guys, I have a video with both of them on my channel, so you can check that out.
Something urban, something funky.
Your time is up.
I got my result.
Okay. Are you ready for the challenge? Okay, the time starts now. Why is Atharva shooting? It's not your challenge. Pictures are going to be lit. Because guys, look at the light here and look at the greens. He's doing some cheating and we have caught him. Okay, let's change the location. Oh wow! I'm going to shoot there. Oh, that is so nice. I found a location. See, this is the advantage of going last. Oh yes. Arey, why are you going from there? You can go from here also. Wow, this is so pretty. Look at the rays. Hey, look at that rays na. Sun rays. This is so nice. Wow. Parth will begin with his challenge. Let's go. Let's go, guys. He is looking for some still portraits now. And should we start the time?
Should we start the time?
Should we start the time? Okay, start the time. So your time starts now. So guys, let us know in the comment section if you want to see some more challenges. And Preeti has recently completed with 26,000 subscribers, YouTube subscribers. 3 minutes over, 2 minutes left. Do you want to utilize the complete time?
Yes.
Okay, good. I like people who utilize the complete time.
I'm sorry for that. I was not knowing
No, he thought it's the competition of minimum time. So Shreyas is helping everyone. So a thumbs up for Shreyas. Thank you. Don't forget to follow him.
This is the main motto.
Yes, oh. Oh, your battery is also low. Now it's my turn.
Okay, so
Let's begin.
It starts now.
Give me a hand. Okay, wait. Wow, perfect shot.
So guys, that's it for today's challenge. I hope you enjoyed it. Which was your favorite location, guys?
this was the day.
Yes, the last location was really amazing. We all enjoyed shooting there, but it was a bit struggle for Preeti. But did you enjoy it?
I really loved it.
Okay, and I hope you loved the pictures too. Let us know which was your favorite picture from the challenge and how was your experience, guys?
It was amazing.
It was great, and thank you for inviting us for this great photography challenge.
Thanks to model.
Yes, thank you, Preeti,
Thank
for being
you,
an
everyone.
amazing model. Also, I'll link their Instagram IDs in the description. Don't forget to check that out. You know the drill. You have to like, share, and subscribe. Meet you next time.